If you're looking for a fun gift for a whiskey drinker, then this might be it. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Real men love whiskey. Dark, oaky, smoky whiskey. I know I do. Hey, I picked this up. It's by SUN GKOTTA. SUN GKOTTA. Not real sure how you pronounce that, but it comes in this really cool box here, and it's not that expensive, but what we get in here is all of the accessories that a whiskey drinker needs. Now, I will say, if you're really desperate as a whiskey drinker, you can just pop the top off the bottle and drink it straight out of there. Huh? I don't judge. Now, in here, what we get are 2 whiskey tumblers here. So, they are pretty typical sized. I think they seem very nice. They are non-leaded glass, which I always kind of find it a little funny because when they used lead in glasses, did the lead leach out into the drink? I mean, I feel like if it's encased in the silica, it wouldn't, but I don't know. You tell me. So what's really cool about this is it's standard whiskey size, which I think is about 3 1/4 inches, both wide and tall. They're kind of square. Some of them actually are square, but obviously this one's really round. But what's cool about this is it has some really nice designs. These little holes here are indentations. They actually feel good in my hand. And then we have some cuts right here. It kind of reminds me of a Waterford crystal. You know, maybe not that precise because I think a lot of those are hand done. So, you know, I'm assuming that this is somehow molded, but maybe it is all hand done, hand carved. We even have a design here, kind of these etched rays down on the bottom right there. So this thing looks pretty amazing, and you do get 2 of these. It comes in this handy shipping box with foam here, and I would say make sure you wash these glasses before you pour in that whiskey. Even though whiskey has a high alcohol content and is generally pretty sterile, you always want a clean glass, you know, to bring out the flavor at least. So pretty cool. I like this. I just wanted to give you a quick hit of this because this SUN GKOTTA whiskey glass set is a pretty good deal, and it can be a nice gift in addition to any whiskey drinker's collection. And because it has 2, it's implying that you are not drinking alone, which is the only way I drink, but it's kind of nice to at least lead people on to the thought that I'm not drinking alone. So if you want to pick up this nice decorative whiskey glass set for your favorite whiskey drinker, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.